Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own server on Minecraft Pocket Edition. This is a server that will stay online as long as you want. You can add unlimited plugins, unlimited players. It's not done via website, it's running on your phone. Now, you can do this as long as you have any phone that was made in the last few years that is a 64-bit phone. So pretty much any phone with 64-bit architecture is capable of making a server. Now, if you want to find out whether your phone is a 32-bit phone or a 64-bit phone, you can easily find that information online. There's also some apps out there that tell you, but I'm just going to show you quickly how to get PocketMine installed. PocketMine is the app we're going to use to make the server. So in order to do this, just go to the Google Play Store and search up PocketMine. So it's going to come up in a second. There we go. PocketMine MP. So this app is not maintained, is not developed by the original PocketMine team. They scrapped doing hosting servers on your phone a long time ago. This app is developed by a guy called Surlo, from what I can tell. And there was an update May 21st that added a lot of features. So if we open the app, you're going to see that it shows this box that has server load statistics, at least when the server is turned online. We also have our local IP address there, so people who are on your Wi-Fi network are going to be able to connect with that IP address. If you want people across the internet to join your server, you're going to have to do something called port forwarding, which I can make another video on if you guys want me to. Now, if we go to the console, I'm sure you're all familiar with what the console is. You can see all the messages that are sent in your server. You can see all the people that join along with their IP address and more. If we go over here to settings, we're going to see a lot of different things. So we can change the message of the day, which is pretty much the name of your server. You can change the port, amount of players on, allow flight, spawn animals, do a ton of stuff. Pretty much it's completely customizable. Now, PocketMine does have some limitations as a software, but it's probably the most stable server software. It is the original server software, and the guy who made it ended up going to work for Mojang, which is pretty crazy. So anyways, to start your server, all you're going to do is press start. And once I click on console, it's going to start the server. Now, I do have some plugins from a long time ago that are not going to work because they have an incompatible API version. You're probably not going to have any plugins installed the first time you do this, so you don't need to worry. And if your server happens to be outdated, just press on this little button here. It will update your server to the newest version, so that is awesome. And so if we go to console, you're going to see right here that the server is running. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up Minecraft, and I'm going to show you the server in action. So press on Minecraft, and I'm going to open up the game, and you're going to see the server running. Alright, so Minecraft is loading up right now, and it only takes a minute to load. Alright, so the game is loaded, and we're going to press play, and then we're going to go to friends, and it will pop up as a friend in a minute. So if I go here, I can actually see that the server is on, which is pretty cool. So anyways, servers here. Servers is the screen that has all your servers, and then we've got friends. So friends is where the server is going to pop up, and you can just keep playing around with these menus until it pops up. Sometimes it takes a bit because it has to recognize the server. Minecraft has to recognize the server, but if it's just not popping up for you, there is a way to fix this problem. It's pretty simple. So if for some reason, guys, you're just not getting the server, it's not appearing right here, what you want to do is you want to go to your home screen, and then you want to open up the PocketMine app again. So as you can see, there's the local IP address, which is what we want. So we're just going to remember this and put it into the game. So it's 10.0.0.111. So guys, I'm just going to add the IP. And there it is, guys. Now, I know that the server appeared in friends and then it disappeared, so it's kind of a gamble on whether it's going to appear or not. So anyways, I'm just going to join it from here, and you're going to see that it's going to work. So sometimes it takes a little. It all depends on your internet connection. So if you see this connecting to external server message, don't be worried. And if it says unable to connect to a world, don't be worried. Just keep trying, and it will work eventually. I promise you guys. This is the local IP to your server. You're going to be able to connect to your server, I promise. So pretty much just wait for it to load, and once you're in, you're going to be good to go. So for some reason, as you can see, guys, it keeps telling me that I'm unable to connect to my server, but the PocketMine is still running in the background, so that means that everything should be good to go. So I'm just going to keep pressing play, and we're going to see if we get any different results. Now, Minecraft on Android is a finicky thing sometimes, so you might have to restart the game or turn off your server and turn it back on if this just keeps happening. And as you can see, for me, it just keeps happening. Unable to connect to world. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just going to go and check what's going on. I find it really convenient with the whole console. You can easily check what's going on with your server. So if we go to console here, we're going to see that the server is running, and it's actually not even picked up that anyone has joined, which means that there could be something wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the server just to show you all the possible problems you can encounter. Then I'm going to press start again. Then I'm going to press console, and now the server has booted up again. Now, if there's a plugin that's incompatible that you accidentally installed on your server, don't worry, it's not going to have any effect, it's just not going to run. So, I'm going to open up Minecraft again, if I can find it. There it is. Alright, so I'm going to open the game, and hopefully this works. Alright guys, so as you can see, there is the message of the day. So as I said, you can modify that. So for me, it was Pocket Mine server. But as you can see, it is working now. So, this is what we all wanted, this is what we all needed. It is locating the server. So this is great. Hopefully it works, guys. Let's say a little prayer that it works, that it loads and it doesn't like crash or something. So as you can see, guys, it actually worked and we are in the game. So this is pretty cool. I think this is awesome, guys, because look, we got a free server and everything is going good. I mean, it is nighttime and my buttons are kind of small and it just disconnected me. So we're going to go into the Pocket Mine app and see what the issue could have been, and then I'm going to join it from a different device, and I'm going to keep the video going so you can see that, just to prove that you can do this from any device. So as you can see, it actually blocked my IP from joining for some reason for 300 seconds. So I'm going to put my phone down here. I'm just going to leave it there, and there's my IP address if you want to stalk me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my iPad, and I'm going to join the server from the iPad so I can show you that you can do this from pretty much any device as long as the server is turned on. So that is pretty awesome, because if you got friends or something that are on your Wi-Fi network and you all come over or something, I mean, I don't really know how many people play Minecraft that way anymore, but as you can see, I have an iPad here, pretty big, and I'm just going to open Minecraft, and I'm going to show you that you can do this from any app as long as the server is running. So as you can see, here's the iPad, so I'm going to press play, friends, and there is the server. So this is proof that you can do this on any device. There's my phone, and I can also do this from an iPhone. So let's go. Connecting to the server, and as you can see, it did load a lot faster than when I was doing it on the phone. I don't know why that is. So as you can see, guys, this is pretty damn cool that we're able to do this. I think it's awesome. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as I said, if you guys really want a tutorial on port forwarding, I can do that, but I would like to stress enough, it isn't really a good idea to try and run a server for a lot of people to join on your phone, unless you have incredible internet and you're not worried about it being used up, and if you have an incredible phone. So, I mean, if you got something like the Samsung Galaxy S10, maybe you can do this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment that you enjoyed the video, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.